On 17 September 2020, Ban Nida Yasir became a trend on Twitter for being atrociously insensitive about the child abuse case. On 15 March 2018, Sanam Jung became a controversial figure on social media for promoting racism through makeup competition of girls. And on 23rd of the January, Pamela charged a fine of 1 million rupees on Sahil Lodi for promoting vulgarity by showing young girls dance, and he was strongly criticized by the public for violating the culture.
पिटाई होती जब जबान चलेगी तो पिटेंगे नहीं पीटने की मिसाल है ये और भाई मिसाल
Not only these morning shows cross their limit, but almost all the morning shows channel in Pakistan keeps on repeating the same mistake and violating the rules in spite of being given warnings and fined by the Pamela. Unfortunately, today's Pakistani morning shows content are full of wedding, marriage conflict, makeup tutorials, singing, modeling, dancing and brand outfits. But once it was not existed like this. If we want to see the Pakistani morning shows history, then let's go back to the year 1988 when there was no other channel and the nation witnessed its first Pakistani morning show on PTV in the name of Subh Khair, and it was hosted by a famous author and travel writer Mustansir Hussain Tartar for almost 7 years, and he always opened his show in some charismatic style like this: Assalamu alaikum sare Pakistan or Pyare Pakistan. And his main target was the youth, children. That's why he was remembered as a Chachaji of the Pakistani children. During that tenure, his great message and words still echo in the hearts and minds of the million children. And then Nadia Khan tenure came.
आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि जी क्या क्वालिफिकेशन होती है डॉक्टर्स की, क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है कि वो प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, क्यों इतने हादसे हो रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में तो खैर से आपको मतलब किसने कुछ
And his morning show also did great because of the collection of the topics and guests, which gave her much fame and success. From right here, things started to begin change when her audience shifted totally to housewives. She began to experience new things on the shows like wedding, makeup, dressing, modeling, and marriage conflicts, like that type of thing. And luckily, his channel got highest TRP. TRP stands for television rating points. Actually, it shows us what percentage of the program target audience view it. Then why not us? We should also join. So they fell a victim to it, and the stuff got really weird. And from here, the morning show's downfall began when they started doing shadis, makeup tutorials, and became less who the guests were and what they had to say, and became more concerned about what designers they are wearing. And right from here, this morning shows in Pakistan became a business for the designers and the makeup artists. Our morning shows becomes a medium through which designer clothes are advertised and makeup artists gain more publicity. Cultural values is not a matter of concern anymore for our morning shows. इस मॉर्निंग शोज़ को ना खाली पाकिस्तान में आंटी और हाउसवाइफ वगैरह देखती हैं, बल्कि वो टीनेज गर्ल्स और वो लड़के जो बड़े हो रहे हैं सोसाइटी में, वो भी इसको देख रहे हैं और दे आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम इट बिकॉज दिस मीडिया इज़ बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. So what's going on there? They will follow it. What our morning shows in Pakistan can at least do that, we should invite such type of guests on morning shows who are role model for the youth, so that they can give motivational and inspirational to the youth. और बहुत सारे ऐसे सोशल इश्यूज हैं जिस पे डिस्कस करके सोशल अवेयरनेस हम तक पहुंचाई जा सकती है, बजाय सेलिब्रिटी को बुलवा कर उसके मैरिज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और डाइवर्सिस को डिस्कस करने से हमें क्या मिलेगा, या फिर किसी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को बुलवा कर और ब्रांडेड कल्चर और क्लोथ्स वगैरह दिखा के. एक तो पाकिस्तान में पहली मिडिल क्लास जो रेशो है बहुत ज़्यादा है, जो बेचारे बहुत सारे कम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ का शिकार होते हैं, और जब वैसे ब्रांडेड कल्चर देखते हैं तो और ज़्यादा कम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ पैदा हो जाती हैं. मॉर्निंग शोज़ को एटलीस्ट हफ्ते में 2 से 3 या 1 से 2 बार यूथ को प्लेटफॉर्म देना चाहिए, बिकॉज इन पाकिस्तान देयर इज़ नो डाउट डैट बहुत सारे ऐसे यूथ हैं जिनके पास टैलेंट है, जिनको बस एक प्लेटफॉर्म और लिटिल बिट गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत है. वी शुड गिव अ चांस टू दैम बिकॉज द यूथ इज़ द बैकबोन ऑफ अ कंट्री. व्हेन आई वाज यंग तो मैं एक बड़े शौक से एक कंपटीशन देखता था, शायद आपको भी याद हो, स्पेलिंग बी कंपटीशन.
SSEINSLAGE Bewusstseinslager.
Bewusstseinslage is spelled BEWUSST SEINSLAGE.
Thank you.
इस तरह के कंपटीशंस जो मुझे लगता है कि पाकिस्तान के मॉर्निंग शोज़ में कंडक्ट होने चाहिए। इससे क्या होता है कि और बहुत सारे बच्चों को इंस्पायर करती है, उनके माइंड को ग्रूम करती है। इन पाकिस्तान whenever the media houses are being object for the quality they shows, it is due to public demand. For the survival of the today's media is hunger creation, hunger proliferation, and this is what the media is feeding the drooling mouths of the audience with the dangerous pills. Audience can never be stopped at all because media became the integral part of the people's life. Even how harm the content is, the people can't refuse to quit taking them. Why? Because here you need to understand this, that producer who is working in the media is creating the demand and society is playing the role of multiplier. First example, जब मुस्तंसिर हुसैन तारड़ और उसके प्रोड्यूसर ने पीटीवी में सोचा कि हम सुबह बखेर के नाम से ऑडियंस को, यूथ को एक ऐसा मॉर्निंग शो दिखाएंगे, so they just provide their content and the audience multiplied it. Second example, जब नादिया खान और उसके प्रोड्यूसर ने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम ऐसा ऐसा वेडिंग, मेकअप और मॉडलिंग वगैरह मॉर्निंग शोज में दिखाए जाएं, so this was the creating of the demand and the audience just watch it and they just multiplied it. And one last example, I think so JioNews was the first channel who introduced the concept of this gaming shows. Gaming show भी एक creating of demand है किसी प्रोड्यूसर की and the audience watch it, और सीधे सारे न्यूज़ चैनल ने इसको फॉलो किया और multiply हो गई. So this tells us that demand and supply concept between producer and audience could never be stopped at all, even if people wants to. So you will came to know that how drastically media is leading our whole society towards wrong side, unless when these harm pills are replaced with some healthy supplements. Otherwise, this dangerous and harm cycle of demand cycle between audience and producer will continue forever. Objection, I have a confusion. पाकिस्तानी मॉर्निंग शो एक दिन अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम दिखाएगा, नेक्स्ट डे वो आपको मेकअप दिखाएगा, थर्ड डे वो आपको वेडिंग दिखाएगा, फोर्थ डे वो आपको डांस दिखाएगा। ऐसा क्यों है? जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा रेटिंग पे फोकस करते हैं, देन यू कैन नेवर एवर प्रोड्यूस द कंटेंट लाइक मुस्तंसिर हुसैन तारड़ वंस।